What's up, hiker enthusiast? Lovely 85-degree midwinter day. The trail is full. The parking spaces down the street were full. The gate is open. It's a great day. Although I've still been coming up here the whole time. But it's the gate open. Just walking through was amazing. It gave me some hope. But there's a lot of people. I had to park really far. And they're doing some type of work up on the other side over there. Where that they're doing it in here somewhere. I don't know what they're removing. Quarry shit, whatever. They're moving rocks from one place to another to justify some type of funding that they got, probably. It's really weird how speech is regulated. I learn something new every day. Well, I don't learn. I find something out that doesn't make sense along with the previous information. It's just, whenever you tamper with something that's pretty simple, genuine, it's free. Let me pause. How's it going? Oh, fuck. Fucking hot. See, some people act like they don't want a camera on them. Oh, this ain't a news camera. And I don't know how far I'm going to go today. I don't know if anybody remembers what I say. I do sometimes. I said I was going to take 2 days off. This would be the second day. But couldn't resist it. Even though I'm cramping up. It's just something I have to deal with. I'm not going to get any younger. I can get in better shape. I can try, but I'm still going to be old. How you doing?
Yeah, good.
Oh, that's cool. They opened the gates, so now it's going to be crowded up here now. There's a lot of people who used to come up here. Have been waiting. Makes it less scary. Because I'm telling you, we eliminate the people. The bears were just getting comfortable. Or at least that one family. What I was going to say was, when you have something like free speech, anytime, because it speaks for itself, you have to put twist in it to try to regulate it, because it's like, it's right there. It's free speech. It really doesn't need a description or to be explained. And it used to be respected that way. But now it's like you have groups of people that decide they think this is harmful, or this is extremist, or could provoke violence. It's like, no, it's free speech. And what happened? Well, that's what happens when you got a whole crooked Senate, Congress. Nobody's standing up for shit, except for everybody's getting backdoor money so much that they're just. And then you have a media that protects them when their job is to expose them. Just, we're done. We're just simmering. Watching all the stuff happening with the ICE. They're not doing, they're wrong, but people are out reacting with their emotions and turning it in, and you have people with gangbanger mentality who really aren't very smart. You have to, you can't, you're not going to fight the federal government fist to fist or, you know, whatever. So don't try. You know? And it's just like the girl that got shot, that was a horrible thing. But she didn't need to do that. She was too close. She's not going to make a difference either. You have to understand that they're these little pieces. Fuck. Oh, man.
Hey, how's it going?
It's January and I was happy about the shade. Shit. Oh. Oh. Go ahead. You can go. Hey, doggy. Hey. It's open again. Yay.
I know. I'm so excited.
Have a good one. Oh. And today is what, the 14th? Well, I guess when I didn't go to that meeting the other night, because after that meeting, it's been a lot of people coming. So I missed the, it's going to be open meeting. But the day after the meeting, the gate wasn't open, but people were coming up here. I knew something was up. God damn. Oh, that one feels, man, it's really hot. Fucking January, mid-January. It's 85 or so. That's ridiculous. I almost turned on the air conditioner yesterday. Usually have like at least a month or so without the air conditioner. 2 months maybe. Probably see the shadow of this rig. When people approach me, they know they're on camera. So nobody's going to surprise throw me off the cliff. I used to be afraid of that when you're walking down the trail, because you see some shady characters. And you're just thinking, man, these guys are troublemakers. What if he just said, I'm gonna throw this motherfucker down the So let them go to the, stay on the inside and let them go. No more trust falls. Those are a thing of yesterday. There's nobody behind me. You know, people park down on the street now that they're not considerate with the spacing because there's only one small area to park. And like on the weekends, like this weekend, I can hardly guarantee you. It's almost like I need to walk from home. Parking will be because everybody's going to be here. I guarantee you Saturday will be like the biggest day for hiking here in years. Man, I don't know how far I'm gonna go. Shit. Oh, I forgot to give the disclaimer. Even though it hasn't worked, because they censor me for, they called it false information, or it's like, who are you to say what the truth is? They'll probably, it's totally human doing it. It's not AI. Because somebody's picking through my stuff. Because some might, they'll go through and it'll be fine, and then the next day they'll catch it. It's like, what the fuck? You guys are double checking my stuff. So no more speaking in code or... No, they're going through everything. For that reason, I'm going to hit stop. Start at the next one. Peace, everybody. Hiking San Gabriel Mountains. Lovely. Lovely day. Look, you see people. Peace.